Chile is a country located in South America, known for its stunning natural scenery, vibrant culture, and rich history. Here's a short travel guide with all the details you need to plan your trip. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Chile is from September to November or from March to May when the weather is mild and there are fewer crowds. Visa requirements. Visitors from many countries, including the United States, Canada, and the European Union, do not need a visa to enter Chile for stays of up to 90 days. However, it's always best to check the latest visa requirements before you go. Language. The official language of Chile is Spanish, but many Chileans also speak English. Currency. The currency in Chile is the Chilean peso, CLP. Transportation. Chile has an extensive network of buses, trains, and domestic flights that make it easy to get around the country. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also available in most cities. Must-see attractions. Some of the top attractions in Chile include Santiago, Chile's capital city, with a thriving cultural scene, beautiful parks, and museums. Atacama Desert, a stunning desert in northern Chile, with unique geological formations, hot springs, and stargazing opportunities. Valparaiso, a colorful coastal city known for its street art, funiculars, and bohemian vibe. Patagonia, a region in southern Chile, known for its stunning natural landscapes, including glaciers, lakes, and mountains. Food and drink. Chilean cuisine is a mix of indigenous and Spanish influences. Popular dishes include empanadas, pastel de choclo, a beef and corn casserole, and chupe de mariscos, a seafood stew. Chile is also known for its excellent wines, particularly its red wines. Safety. Chile is generally a safe country for travelers, but it's always important to take common-sense precautions to avoid becoming a victim of crime. Be aware of your surroundings, avoid displaying valuables, and be cautious when using ATMs or carrying cash. Culture. Chilean culture is a mix of indigenous and Spanish influences, with a strong emphasis on family, community, and hospitality. Chileans are known for their love of music, dance, and celebrations, with many festivals and events taking place throughout the year. Etiquette. Chilean etiquette is generally similar to that of other Western countries. It's important to greet people with a handshake, dress conservatively in public, and avoid discussing controversial topics like politics or religion unless you know the person well. Accommodation. Chile offers a range of accommodation options to suit all budgets, including hostels, guest houses, hotels, and luxury resorts. Many of the larger cities have international chain hotels, while smaller towns and rural areas may have more traditional accommodations, such as cabins or farm stays. Outdoor activities. Chile's natural landscape offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities, including hiking, trekking, skiing, surfing, and kayaking. The country is home to some of the world's most stunning national parks and reserves, including Torres del Paine, Lauca, and Vicente Pérez Rosales. Health and safety. It's always important to take precautions to stay healthy and safe while traveling in Chile. Make sure you have adequate travel insurance, bring any necessary medications or vaccinations, and avoid drinking tap water, which can cause stomach upset. If you're planning on trekking or hiking, make sure you have appropriate gear and follow safety guidelines. Festivals and events. Chile is home to many festivals and events throughout the year, including the Feast of the Immaculate Conception in December, the Grape Harvest Festival in March, and the Fiestas Patrias, Chilean Independence Day, in September. These events are a great way to experience Chilean culture and traditions. Shopping. Chile offers a range of shopping experiences, from high-end boutiques to traditional markets. Popular souvenirs include artisanal textiles, ceramics, and jewelry, as well as Chilean wine and pisco, a local brandy. Communication. Chile has a reliable telecommunications network, with good mobile phone coverage and internet access. Many cafes and public places also offer free Wi-Fi. Environmental protection. Chile is committed to protecting its natural environment, and visitors are encouraged to do the same. This includes following designated hiking trails, avoiding littering, and respecting wildlife and local communities. Nightlife. Chile's larger cities, such as Santiago and Valparaiso, offer a vibrant nightlife scene with plenty of bars, clubs, and live music venues. However, it's always important to take precautions when going out at night and avoid areas that may be unsafe. Customs regulations. Chile has strict customs regulations regarding the import and export of certain items, including plants, animals, and certain food products. Make sure to check the latest regulations before traveling to avoid any issues at the border. Overall, Chile is a fascinating and beautiful country with a lot to offer travelers. Whether you're interested in exploring its natural wonders, learning about its history and culture, or simply enjoying its food and wine, there's something for everyone in Chile.